Beverly's eyes would often well up with tears when her classmates called her names behind her back. Chicken face, ugly duckling, and ghetto girl echoed through the halls of her school in Kingston, Jamaica. The 10-year-old girl would trudge to her classroom, her thick dark hair pulled back in a tight ponytail, her big brown eyes cast downward as if she was ashamed of who she was. Her parents, though loving and supportive, couldn't help but notice the pain in their daughter's eyes every time she came home from school. They reassured her that beauty was more than just a physical appearance, but Beverly struggled to see beyond the cruel taunts that echoed through her mind. Years went by and Beverly continued to be the target of her classmates' ridicule. She found solace in her love for dance hall music and spent hours practicing her moves in the comfort of her own home. But when the school photographer came to take pictures for the school yearbook, Beverly hesitated. What if she didn't measure up? What if she still looked too awkward, too ugly? That summer, something magical happened. Beverly started experimenting with makeup and hairstyles, discovering a new side of herself that she hadn't seen before. She started to notice the shape of her eyes, the curve of her lips, the softness of her skin. She realized that her uniqueness was what made her beautiful. The 16-year-old Beverly emerged from her shyness, a new person. Her confidence soared as she started to see her own beauty in a way she never had before. She began to take pictures on her mom's phone, experimenting with her looks and learning to love herself from the outside in. When the modeling scouts arrived in Kingston, they were looking for something different, something fresh, something new. And then they saw Beverly, 17 and radiant, her thick hair fixed stylish with an attached ponytail weave extension falling down her back like a waterfall, her skin glowing with a warm golden light. They were drawn to her unique features, her bold spirit, and her infectious smile. Within weeks, Beverly was signing contracts and gracing the cover of Jamaica's top fashion magazines. She strutted down runways, commanding attention and admiration from audiences around the world. She became the face of international brands, her message of self-love and acceptance resonating with young girls everywhere. Beverly's parents looked on with pride, beaming with joy as they watched their little girl grow into a confident, beautiful woman, her beauty radiating from the inside out. She went on to win numerous awards, including Model of the Year at the Jamaican Fashion Awards, and was hailed as a true icon in the fashion world. And though she still looked back on those painful years with a tinge of sadness, Beverly knew that her journey to the top had taught her the most valuable lesson of all, that true beauty lies within.